Yesterday I received 4 parcels from AliExpress. Let's open them up and see what's inside. This is the Synoki 9619, a digital watch with an alarm and a stopwatch. I've had this watch before, but I bought it again since it was amazingly cheap. I paid $4.70 for it, including shipping. If that's not a bargain, then I don't know what a bargain is. The next parcel is from the Jinhao flagship store. This is a luxury 388 model business ballpoint pen. I paid $2.18 for this pen, and you can buy extra ink as well. I hope ink is included in this one. Let's try to write something. This is a white silicone bracelet and watch case. I will install this on my Casio DW5600. I paid $4.99, including shipping, for this. Now to my last parcel. This is a green replacement nylon watch band for $4.08. Let's try it on my Casio Square G-Shock. I showed this watch band in my previous video. Let's take it off and install this green one instead. I paid $4.08 for this green nylon bracelet.